Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be comparing another two exceptional applications, namely Talkatone. Well, this is a pretty new application for our channel. Overall, it is a market leader which has over 10 million plus downloads. Another application which I'm going to compare with this is going to be 2ndLine. Well, 2ndLine is, let's just say, it is a pretty old uh, application for our channel, but it is still pretty new among the users. Not pretty new, but it's not that famous uh, compared to Talkatone. Now, the first comparison is obviously going to be the user interface comparison. Well, you can take a look at this. This is the user interface, and this is the sign up page. This is the login pages, and this application is actually a product from the Texno Corporation. Texno is a market leader, which is a very famous application, which can be even compared to Google Voice in the US. And the another application is going to be Talkatone. This is the Talkatone's first page. The user interface is going to be like this. You can just take a look at this. So I guess I do not have to give you guys a suggestion. Obviously, in the user interface section, the obvious practical winner is going to be Talkatone. So now Talkatone has a score of 1, while 2ndLine has a score of 0. So guys, I forgot to tell this before. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button, the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive regular updates from my channel. I mainly post stuffs about the tech news, the solving the tech problems, which mainly covers the virtual numbers section, etc. If you're already constant watcher who views our channel and the videos in it regularly, you would know about it. For the people who are new to it, go click on subscribe button. And I also have a Telegram channel which with which I'll answer you directly. You can join the Telegram channel too, and you can ask your questions if you have any problems. Now that's fine. Well, just take a look at this. Out of 158k reviews, it has a 4.3 star rating. It has 10 million plus downloads. Remember this, Talkatone has 158k, and 158k it has a 4.3 stars, and it has 10 million plus downloads. But the Talkatone application is not available in Play Store for me. I installed it via Play Store, but not using the normal means. Well, as you can see, you search for Talkatone, it's not available for me in the Play Store. Now, what do you think about 2ndLine? Let's just go search it. If I go search for 2ndLine, okay, I still do not get the application. So, in the terms of availability, both applications fails for me. But still, at least Talkatone has a few ways to if you search for Talkatone, it at least is visible in the Google Play Store. With 2ndLine, no. So in the terms of availability, Talkatone scores another 1 point over the 2ndLine application. Now if we take another point in availability, Talkatone is available both for the iOS and Android users. Meanwhile, 2ndLine is only available for Android users. So obviously Talkatone is the winner. Oof, I didn't imagine that Talkatone would win this many points. But still, let's watch until then and find out who's the practical winner, right? Yeah, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to stay till the end of the video and I'm going to find out who's the winner is. I hope you guys will also do the same. Now if you take a look at the features of Talkatone application, it provides us with a free phone number, free texting, Wi-Fi or cell data calling. It does not charge you for roaming fees anywhere. It has millions of users. Now if you take a look at it, the features of the 2ndLine application, we get a local free phone number of US Canada for free. We get unlimited calling and texting. We get low cost international calls. In that roaming was free. Here there is a low cost international calls. Voicemail and group chats feature is available. Well, good pictures and video messaging. So these are all the features of the 2ndLine application. In the terms of features, I slightly bend over, just slightly, let's see, out of 100%, 1 or 2% to the second line application. It's because mainly it's from the Texno Corporation, and it has all the features of the Texno application with slightly bad user interface and slightly more ads and slightly annoying stupid bugs. And other than that, it's just the same copy, just color change to copy of the Texno application. So here I would rather not give this a point, but still, second line deserves this one. Now second line has a point of 1, meanwhile Talkatone has a point of 3. Guys, remember this is not an in-depth review. If you want an in-depth review of the applications, uh, there are in-depth reviews for both the Talkatone and the second line applications. And these videos links will be available in the description and the and the comment section. I would pin a comment which contains all the links for these videos and more informative videos which may interest you. So guys, before quitting this video, before leaving this video, just go take a look at the comment section. It's obviously going to help you a lot. I'm just not kidding over here. It will obviously help you in a lot of ways. Now, if we take a look at the errors, there are a lot of errors in both of this application, even from the availability in the Google Play Store page. There is also an error. So, from starting from the availability till the end of the usage, there are a lot of errors, and all the errors began from the update of 2023. So, if you want to learn more about the news and the reasons for which is why these errors are happening, guys, go take a look at this video. This video is such an amazing video which will obviously help you to get information about a lot of stuff. Okay, so guys, this video covers all the hidden stuffs which is not out, and none of the YouTubers out there would have told you these stuffs, but I posted a video explaining you guys those steps. So I'll leave this video's link in the description and the first comment too. If it's not available, go take a look at this video inside my channel. Well, like I told, second line is from the Texno Corporation, so it has all the errors too from the Texno application. Even if I go click on the sign up button, I get this error. Texno is unavailable in your country, even though I am using the second line application. Funny, right? This is actually the Texno application, and when I click on sign up, I get Texno is unavailable in your country. And when I am using the second line application, I get the same error. Well, now those are two errors from the Play Store error. The next is the sign up error. The third error is going to be an area code error. When you go, the special features of the Texno application, the second line application, is choosing a local phone number, right? For choosing a local phone number, you would have to enter area code. For example, 315 is going to be New York's area code. When I enter 315, I would get an error like this, showing an area code. An error has occurred, and this is going to be annoying to you. This error is actually solvable, and I would also show you ways how to solve those errors. But right now, just remember, this is the third error, and this is the fourth error, which happens in both the second line and the Texno application. After all the hardships, you would create an account, and within 3 to 1 week, your account is going to get disabled. Now, if you're going to ask me, are there just no ways to solve the errors? Well, there are ways you could solve all of those four errors, and all of those four errors will be solvable by just watching this video. This video's link is also going to be available in the comment section and the description, so go take a look at this video. Now, if you take a look at the Talkatone errors, this application has the same kind of errors from the Talkatone could not authorize access. Please download the latest version and try again. Even though I'm using the latest version. Yes, Talkatone also has the same 4 to 5 errors. So guys, I would like to conclude this video by just giving out my opinion and deciding who the final winner is. In my opinion, if I'm going to choose between the Talkatone and the second line application, I just blind my eyes, just go like dash, dum dum. I'll just close my eyes and I pick Talkatone. The reason why, because Talkatone is a much better application than the stupid second line application. I know I'm being harsh, but that application is a really worst application. I hope you guys do not use it. If you want to try the second line application, just go use the Texno application. That is a far. It's from the same corporation and it has the same features with less bugs, and the problems in the Texno is more easily solvable compared to the second line application. So guys, Talkatone is the obvious, go install Talkatone and use it or whatever. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, just click on thumbs up button below this video. And if you do enjoy watching my channel, like I told before, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, just go click on subscribe button, the bell button, hit the subscribe button. And guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. It's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.